Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Did you know that Finland has 4 beautiful and very different seasons? From the magical winter with the northern lights to the endless daylight of summer. Finnish seasons are truly unique. In this video, I'll tell you all about seasons in Finland, when they start, how they feel, and what makes each one special. But before that, let's go over months and days real quick. Days of the week. Viikon päivät. Viikko means week and päivä means day. Maanantai, Monday. Tiistai, Tuesday. Keskiviikko, Wednesday. Torstai, Thursday. Perjantai, Friday. Lauantai, Saturday. Sunnuntai, Sunday. Months of the year. Kuukaudet. Kuukausi stands for month. Tammikuu, January. Helmikuu, February. Maaliskuu, March. Huhtikuu, April. Toukokuu, May. Kesäkuu, June. Heinäkuu, July. Elokuu, August. Syyskuu, September. Lokakuu, October. Marraskuu, November. Joulukuu, December. Finnish has 4 distinct seasons. They are Kevät, spring. Kesä, summer. Syksy, autumn. Talvi, winter. Kevät, spring. Spring begins in March and lasts until May. Spring is when Finland wakes up from the long winter. Snow melts, flowers start blooming, and daylight returns. People get excited for the summer, and you can feel the energy in the air. Flowers start blooming, and animals wake up from hibernation. The statement Kevät Suomessa on raikas ja kirkas, kun lumet sulavat ja kukat alkavat kukkia. This means spring in Finland is fresh and bright as the snow melts, and the flowers begin to bloom. Kesä, summer. Summer begins in June and lasts until August. Summer in Finland is amazing. It's warm, sun barely sets, and the people enjoy lakes, forests, and many different things. In Lapland, you can even experience the midnight sun, where the sun doesn't go down at all. So, people in here enjoy warm weather, long days, and very short nights in summer. Suomi kesällä on kaunis ja aurinkoinen. Finland in summer is beautiful and sunny. Syksy, autumn or fall. Autumn begins in September and lasts until November. In autumn, the weather gets colder and the trees turn beautiful shades of red, orange, and yellow. Finns call this colorful time, ruska, and it's perfect for hiking in nature. The statement Syksy Suomessa on täynnä kauniita ruskan värejä ja raikasta ilmaa. This means autumn in Finland is filled with beautiful autumn colors and fresh air. Talvi, winter. Winter begins in December and lasts until February. Winter in Finland is magical, but freezing. In Lapland, it can go down to extreme freezing temperature, and you might not see the sun for weeks. That's called kaamos, means the polar night. But you can also see the stunning northern lights, revontulet in the sky. The statement Suomen talvi on luminen ja pimeä. It means winter in Finland is snowy and dark. This was all about seasons. Hope you found this helpful. If you are enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.